Hello everyone. Today we are going to review another UI UX course according to these parameters. This review will be helpful for those who are freshers or who are willing to switch their career into this profession. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation. You can check out from there. So let's start with the review. It's a UI UX product designer program by MyCaptain, and it's a 4.59 rating is there, and these are the stats like 11.5 LPS, the highest CTC, placement ratio is 88.3, which is good according to the according to the UI UX scores, and 1300 plus hiring partners is also there, and these are the hiring partners. These are the structure about the UI UX. Introduction is there, UX design is there, UI design is there, and placement option is also there, product management is also there, and work experience is also there. These are the placement, these are the portfolio by their students, and certification is there by choosers. The course fees is divided into two parts, 90,000 and 1,30,000, and divided into two programs, advanced and graduate program. And fees is little bit higher according to the normal prices of the courses, and these are the testimonials. As they didn't mention any AI detailing about the UI UX, not about the tools, what they are going to teach you in terms of like Figma, XD, FigGem, Miro, InVision, etc. So if we give a rating according to these parameters, curriculum will be 0, not a 0, it's a 1. User research and fundamental is also there, so it's a 1. UI design quality is 0 for me because overall the page design is also not very looking good, as they didn't focus on the UI part, and hand-on project is there, so it's a 1 for me. And tools and software training is 0, and mentorship and feedback is 0. Portfolio development is there, as their student work on portfolio also, and placement and career support is also there, and course releases fees is 0 for me. uh, Not a 0, it's a 0.5 for me if we say, and industry relevance update is also 0.5 for me. So it's a 6 out of 10 course, and it's a beginner level course according to me. But again, there are many better courses in the market which covers all the parameters related to UI UX. And also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation, which covers all the parameters related to UI UX fundamentals, and also help you about the placement and career support after the completion of course. I will add the link in the description. You can check out from there. Thank you.